Mega shoutout, welcome to Pure Stone Heart once again. We will do the unboxing. This is the part 2 of our unboxing, guys. We already unpacked this one, and now let's do the unboxing one by one of what is inside in this mystery box that we do the previous unboxing. So these are all the materials or the goodies that I received from that certain mystery box. So let's do the unboxing one by one so we could be able to say if the items are good or not. Anyhow, but let's start this one, guys. This is like a, I don't know, because it is a Chinese character. So let's see what is inside. Okay, this is a foldable. Yeah, this one. So I guess this is the one that will say like this. A zipper. There is a zipper and it will show like this. And then it will do like this. This is for kinda like organizer, like you want coffee, blah blah blah, chocolates and all. Maybe I can use this one. Okay, maybe I can use this one in my house, so in my partition, so maybe I will check this later if this is usable for me or not. If not, then I will put it in the box and send to home. Anyway, oh my god. So again, for those who are experiencing like me, welcome to the club. I really don't know, guys, because I just tried, so at least I have an experience now what is going on. Okay, so this is for the mystery box. Now, let's go to this, what is inside. The traveling and folding kettle, it says there. So, well, it's, how much is the price maybe for this one? Is 10 dirhams whatsoever. But anyway, yes, for the ball. Still look. So inside is this one, and here's the manual. Okay, foldable, because you can fold, you can put in your bag, or you can stretch this one. So kettle. Foldable kettle, folding kettle, traveling folding kettle. So that is the second. Okay. The next is this one. Let's do this one. Unboxing for, it says there wireless vacuum cleaner. Let's check what is this wireless vacuum cleaner. It's all about. So as for you guys, Vivid Chilla, don't be pull the trick for the mystery box whatsoever, because there are cases that said an iPad, TV, whatsoever. So again, as for me, it's still nice to be aware of what is happening. Yeah. Anyhow. So. So this is the, maybe I can use this one in my partition because of the smoke. Yes, a lot of whatsoever it is, I don't know. And this one. So I don't know how to use this one because let's check anyway. Oh, okay. Okay, so this is, and the other one, other options, yes, so vacuum, okay? So this is the vacuum, or the ball vacuum, whatsoever it is, but anyway, maybe I can use this one. Starts to experience somehow. This one. And the next is this one. Let's check. Pillow traveling pillow. Yes, it says here inflatable. Ah, okay. It's a massage. So it's kind of like a massage. Okay, let's check. Okay, it's really massage. Okay, it's a massage. Maybe, okay, we will use this one, guys. It's very nice. I like this one. Okay. The next is the headset. This headset for P9. I don't know. Okay. The P9. Maybe we can use this. Then the iPad. And I don't know what is this. But anyway, guys, these are all. So, thank you so much. God bless everyone. Spread love and positivity. Once again, this is Pure Stoneheart. Don't subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be able to be updated for my next video. Bye!